Hello from Taj Medics. I've got a Suzuki Swift here on a 2019 plate. Just going to reset the service light on this one. I'm going to show you it's got a keyless entry, so you got the stop start right there. So I'm just going to start her up, press the clutch, start the car up. As you see right in the middle there, it'll say oil change, change engine oil soon or whatever with the spanner light. I'm going to show you how to reset it. So all you got to do is you got to press this button right here. I'm just going to switch the ignition back off and then switch the ignition on just on its own. That's it. All I now do is with this button here, I turn it to my left, turn it to my left, keep going. Okay, it's not doing it. Maybe push it, push, nothing. Here we go. Turn it to my right. So I don't know what's happened there. Okay, I have to just push on it. Push, 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 push till I get to a blank screen. I then press and hold. As you can see right there now, you've got all the information. So if you want to change the language, anything else you want to do, fuel reset, just go from the top to bottom, clock settings, door lock, lights, guide, oil change, AC, tire pressure monitor system as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change oil, press it again, then I'm going to push on it again, maybe push and hold. That's done. I go back, down, press back, switch the ignition off, and then start the car up. So the spanner light on the top is gone, and then the spanner light in the middle is gone as well. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. There's a special thanks button as well, don't forget to click on that, and there's a playlist for Suzuki as well. This is a Suzuki Swift on a 2019 plate. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.